Hey guys, how you all doing? I'm Paul the Tech Giant and welcome to the channel where today I'll be sharing with you another quick tip for your LG OLED. Now quickly before I get into the actual video itself, I've just got a massive favour to ask every single one of my lovely subscribers out there, and that's for you guys to hit that bell icon so you get notified when I upload a new video. As it would seem that a lot of you guys aren't getting the notifications and are not knowing about my latest uploads and are missing out as a result. So it would be great if you could hit that, and yeah, you're going to be then kept in the loop with all my latest and greatest uploads. Right, moving on to today's quick tip now, and please just bear in mind that not every tip will necessarily work on every model of LG OLED, so yeah, just bear that in mind. And what you're going to want to do today is grab your Magic Remote, give it a shake so you get your pointer up on the screen there, and then press on the scroll wheel once. This will bring up information to do with the external connected device. And let's just say you do not like the way it is up in the right hand corner. Well, you can simply move it. All you do is highlight the box, press on this scroll wheel one more time, press on the blue button, and then you get the option to simply, by moving the joysticks there, left or right, to whatever side you want. I believe some of the other models will actually let you move it down to the corners as well. But there is also a quicker way. That was the LG way of doing it. Now there is the Tech Giant way of doing it. So again, I'm just going to shake that, get the pointer up, and simply highlight, press on the scroll wheel, hold it down, and just drag it across. Simple as that. So you can move it from one side to the other. So when it comes up, it might be getting in the way of maybe sports results and that. You just want to know them quick. You don't want this banner coming up all the time. So there you go. You can move it about as you wish. So there you have it then, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed that video. And if you did, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel and you'd like to see more of the same in the future, then please hit that subscribe button. So thanks very much for joining me today, and hopefully I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.